Well, hello. I'm Miss Judy from South Fayette Township Library. Super sleuth Miss Judy today. I have a fun STEAM activity for you. Fingerprint science. Did you know that each of us have our own unique fingerprint? Well, that's right. No two people have the same one. Even identical twins, they have different fingerprints. Scientists have classified fingerprints into 3 different pattern groups: the whorl, the loop, the arch. I wonder what kind of fingerprint patterns you have. Well, today's science experiment allows you to explore and find out. Really simple activity. You just take a plain piece of white paper and a pencil. You scribble a dark square on your paper. Take one of your fingers and rub it onto the dark square. Now take a piece of tape. Carefully apply the piece of tape over the pencil graphite. Gently lift it off. Put it on your paper. And look! You have your fingerprint. Now, if you do have a magnifying glass at home, you can examine it. Guess what I have? My pattern is the whorl on my thumb. But did you know that on your fingertips, you might have a combination of these kind of fingerprint patterns? I found another super fun way that you could do this experiment. You could trace your hand and do all of your fingers. Maybe you'd like to do your family or your friends. Compare. How do they look? Do they look similar? Do they look different? It's a super fun activity. Now at the library, starting November 9th, we will have some take and make kits for you, fingerprint kits. In the kit, you will have directions to do this activity, and there's going to be directions to do dusting and lifting of fingerprints. That's actually a really good detective super sleuth activity. I'm also going to give you a pencil and a mini magnifying glass. So I hope you have a really good time with this activity. Know that these take and make kits will be at Bridgeville and South Fayette Library, limited supplies, but if you don't get one, you can still do this at home and have a really fun time. Thanks for watching.